Glad you could make it today. What I have here is a charcoal drawing on canvas. So I'm going to show you how I actually did that. A lot of people know how to draw. A lot of people use charcoal, but they don't realize you can actually go ahead and do an under drawing for your painting. So you can actually just take the charcoal, draw whatever you want, and then you seal it. And what you do is you seal it with a fixative. This particular one is by Krylon. Let's see if you can see that. And it'll seal your drawing, so that way while you're drawing, after you get it exactly where you want it, will stay exactly where you want it, which is pretty awesome. Now when you paint over it, it's going to cover a lot of this. Depending on the opacity and the thickness of your paint, you can still see some of the lines, which makes it easier to paint the rest of it. Like this part that I just did right here, I'll do it again. The nice part with this, you take a kneaded eraser and you work it in for a little bit so it gets nice and soft and pliable, and then say like you don't want it, you just erase it. Makes it easy. But if I go to erase one of these lines, this is already sealed by the workable fixative. We're going to go ahead and get started on this particular one, and what I'd like to do at this point is I have an idea what I want as far as the painting is concerned. So of course you can see all the shapes and everything. You got a tree, the truck, the barn. But to help define, I'm going to go ahead and block this in with acrylic paint. That way I can actually help with the colors, see exactly where I want the colors to be, and if I want to change something up, it's easier at this point than it will be later on during the painting. So after you're done drawing the picture, seal it in. Now you can go ahead and block it in. So go ahead and watch this next video, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do that.